Hello everybody, how are you doing today? Today you are going to learn the family members in English. Father, father. Mother, mother. Sister, sister. Brother, brother. Grandmother, grandmother. Grandfather, grandfather. Uncle, uncle. Aunt, aunt. Who is he? Who is he? He is my father. He is my father. Who is she? Who is she? She is my mother. She is my mother. Who is she? Who is she? She is my sister. She is my sister. Who is he? Who is he? He is my brother. He is my brother. Who is she? Who is she? She is my grandmother. She is my grandmother. Who is he? Who is he? He is my grandfather. He is my grandfather. Who is he? Who is he? He is my uncle. He is my uncle. Who is she? Who is she? She is my aunt. She is my aunt. Who are they? Who are they? They are my parents. They are my parents. Who are they? Who are they? They are my grandparents. They are my grandparents. Who are they? Who are they? They are my sisters. They are my sisters. Who are they? Who are they? They are my brothers. They are my brothers. Who are they? Who are they? They are my uncles. They are my uncles. Who are they? Who are they? They are my aunts. They are my aunts. She is their mother. She is their mother. He is their father. He is their father. They are their parents. They are their parents. She is their grandmother. She is their grandmother. He is their grandfather. He is their grandfather. They are their grandparents. They are their grandparents. They are their grandchildren. They are their grandchildren. She is his sister. She is his sister. He is her brother. He is her brother. They are siblings. They are siblings. Here is an example of a family tree. You can see the family members. Grandpa, grandpa. Grandma, grandma. Mommy, mommy. Daddy, daddy. It's me, it's me. Sister, sister. Brother, brother. These are the members of the family.